Good morning, students. We have been reading the chapter The Treasure Within. First two parts of the chapter I had sent you in animation. I hope you might have enjoyed watching them. But as I could not find the last part of this in animated form, so I am going to explain the chapter and conclude the chapter today. So far we have read till here in the chapter कि Hafiz contractor never made a plan, and one of his teachers, Mrs. Gupta, had told him once कि you are useless in everything but your sketches are good. She had advised him to be an architect on growing up. When he grows up, he should become architect, and when he became one, he went back to meet her and told her so. Up to here you might have already seen in the video. Now what happened after that, what he tells about his story. He disliked studies, he was bad at languages, his maths was also very bad. In fact, he never applied his mind, he never took interest in it. He was in a boarding school where every day was a new day for him, means he would forget what happened last day. When there was any test, he just copied in those tests. Those who always stood first or second in his school are doing ordinary jobs, he tells. As for himself, the school life made him street smart. Living in a boarding school, taking care of himself, that taught him a lot of things which made him very smart boy. He learnt more by what he did and then what the books taught him. He tells whatever he learnt, it was more from the things which he did himself, more than from the books. Then about his special interest at school, Hafiz contractor was interested in other things, not in books. If it rained outside the class, he would think of the flowing water, he would forget the lecture, and he would think about the flow of water within the dam, how all this rainwater would be collected in a dam. Then he would imagine how much water that dam could hold. So these type of thoughts would come when he saw raining. He also used to help his friends, as discipline in the school was very important, and sometimes a student would lose a button while fighting, and in that case they cannot wear uniform without a button. There were very strict rules, so in that case they would come to Hafiz contractor, and Hafiz contractor would cut a button from a chalk using a blade. So he would made a button of chalk with a blade, and no one could then see, no one could judge his real button was missing, and he would get passed dinner with full neat uniform. So this is how, even with his mischiefs, he helped his friends. Today, when a client comes to contractor, how he works, he tells at last, when a client comes to him, he looks at him very closely. He would observe his face, his clothes, his manners, how he behaves, how he stands, all things he observes very closely. Why? Because that gives him an idea of his taste, of his interest, what type of things the client would like. If he wants to make him a design for his building, so what type of design, what is his interest? So he would guess all these things just by observing him very closely. He is able to relate to people in a way that would be comfortable. Then he makes a sketch spontaneously, quickly, and gives it to his people in the office to make the final design. This is how he tells he works. And at last he says his sketches are his mathematics. At last, once again, he tells about mathematics. Earlier he was afraid of mathematics, but now he has his own definition of mathematics. He says sketches are his mathematics. He puts design, construction, psychology and sociology together, putting all these things, all ideas together and making a sketch from all That is Contactor definition of mathematics. So, he concludes by with telling this how it has come to a full circle, starting from a subject we never liked and coming to that again. This is now his own mathematics. So, this is the chapter, and with this I am sending you the question answer also. You have to do those questions. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.